So for you guys having issue linking your bank accounts with this PiggyVest, so this is how it's done. Me first, you should know you have to link your commercial bank, not OP or Money Point or I mean so here you use the link your bank is the option. So here I'm just going to select the bank, that's UBA account number. So here you tap on proceed. So here it has transfers to pay stack. I should be expecting OTP. I believe the OTP is here 799. So yeah, I'm just going to residential address. Let me post this. So after putting your address and you tap on continue, so they will ask you to send amount just 15 naira to this account, right here, to this account, using maybe this account or any bank. Yeah, but you should use this account. So I'm just going to I'm just going to transfer the money now and continue this stuff. So I just transferred the money they asked now, which is the 15 naira. So here you just tap the have sent and wait for the confirmation. The bank they use is Paystack, that's the receiving bank name. So you wait for it to confirm. After the confirmation, I think you will receive an email that your bank is successfully linked. That's it. And here you can see your bank is successfully linked. Here is just their error from their server. It's supposed to redirect me back home, which is here. So that's how to link your bank, and it should work with this method. If